Yeah, it's Adam here from AM Web Design and Digital Marketing. What we're going to do in this video, I'm just going to show you how to create a background for your business for your Zoom meetings or anything like that. Okay, so the software that I use for this is called Canva. It's completely free. Okay, there's the address for it, canva.com, so canva.com. And basically when you come onto here, you go in, create yourself a little account. It's completely free to sign up. And it just asks you here, design anything. This is great for creating your Facebook posts. I use it for tons, LinkedIn, everything, on my YouTube, thumbnails, everything like that. So for what we're doing here, which is the Zoom meetings, and you want a background, you just click on here, and it's got the Zoom virtual background because I've just done that one. But if you just start typing, it will give you options of what's available. So there's one here which is sized correctly for Zoom. So just click on there, and it gives you loads and loads of choices. Okay, if you hover over and it comes up with a little pound sign, I'll just see if there's any here that do it. It means it's a payable image. Most of these all look like they're all free, so it will tell you if you need to pay for it. There's the right, let's go for a nice beach scene. We'll click on that. Okay, so once you've got your scene now, okay, yeah, as I said, see it's free. If you click over on free, yeah, it looks like just about everything at the moment on here is free, which is good. In fact, I'll go for that one because I like that one. Then, if you want to add your logos, what you can do, come down to uploads. I've already got mine uploaded, but all you would do, upload an image or video, and then you just click around wherever you've got everything that you're using and just accept it. So I'll use, so if you've got there, and you just click on it once it's there, resize it, and you could have these, let's say, just appear in the top corners behind you. Rename it. Just give it a moment, this will come up as all changes saved. Then click on, I'll move my massive feed out of the way, click on publish, download, file type, okay, just let it download onto your computer, and then when you go into your Zoom meeting, you just go to the bottom of the page where it allows you to add virtual backgrounds and add that virtual background in. If you find that the background is flickering or it's not visualizing correctly, what it needs is a green screen behind it. It just means that your video system, your webcam, whatever you're using, is not strong enough or good enough to deal with the resolution of the video. So you either need a blank background, preferably a dark color behind your head, and that will act as your green screen, or if you've got green screen, hang that up behind you, and then you'll find that your actual video will work. The other alternative to that is if you've got a couple of banners, just stick your banners up behind you. That way you're just promoting your business whilst you're on Zoom and chatting away to people. Okay, like I said, go in, have a mess around on this. Canva is brilliant. If we go back to the beginning, like I said, I use this if you're looking to do your Facebook posts. Just type in, it gives you all the sizes of everything that you need, already sized. Go in and just go in. It's already there. And here, loads of different choices of images, different elements. So if you want a little coronavirus person now, there's a doctor. You just come in, same as you would do on most softwares, just resize. So it's completely up to you. Just have a mess around. If you want to add text, gives you all the different choices. You can have music on the background. These are all copyright free. Videos, different backgrounds if you just want a plain background to use. Again, your uploads, and then you can even create your own folders and everything in here to keep everything together. Okay, so I hope that's helped. Like I said, just get on, have a play with it, and it's really, really, really simple to use. Okay, so enjoy.